Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to delete the viewing history on YouTube because any video that you have watched on YouTube will be recorded in the viewing history on YouTube. So if you want to delete the history delete the viewing history on YouTube automatically, follow this explanation with me. But before starting in the street, no thanks to everyone who supports me. Thank you from the heart to everyone who watched the video and subscribe to the channel, and we will meet and move on to the explanation now. Let's start the first step, which is to go to your YouTube account, then click on your profile icon, then click on the settings icon here, then you will find the history management, click on it, then you will go down here, you will find the automatic deletion. You can delete automatically or delete manually. If you click on the automatic deletion, you can make YouTube delete the history automatically every 3 months or 18 months or 36 months, according to your desire. However, if you want to delete it manually, all the history at once, here you will find the word delete, click on it, and here you will find delete all activities today, or a custom range means updating a specific date for the record. There is also the immediate deletion of all results. You choose the option that suits you and delete the record. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.